It was a cold winter evening, and all of a sudden, the power went out for over 200,000 people in my town. I was part of the IT staff at a power distribution company, and we were running around trying to fix the issue, not realizing it was a cyber attack. It began a few months prior, when the attackers sent out an email to our IT team. Now, one of the team members tried to open an attachment, but it wouldn't work. It needed a newer version of Microsoft Office with macros turned on to view it. And unfortunately, he went ahead and enabled the macros, which ended up infecting his computer and gave the attackers access to our company's network. But they still couldn't access the SCADA networks to control the power grid. So they got sneaky. They collected the employees' VPN credentials, which eventually gave them the access they needed. And once they were inside the SCADA network, they reconfigured the power backup system so that it wouldn't kick in when they attacked. On December 23rd, they struck. They used the hijacked VPNs to enter the power grid and open the breakers, causing a huge power outage without any functioning backup power systems. And to cover their tracks, they deleted all the system logs, which is why it took us so much time to figure out what was going on. Let me tell you, this attack was really something. The attackers were patient until they gained access to the SCADA network before striking. And looking back, there were a few people on our IT staff who could have reported suspicious activity, but they were too scared that they would get in trouble. That's why it's so important to report things as soon as possible, even if you think you might have made a mistake.